How to change Google profile picture. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change your Google profile picture. The first step is to open the Gmail app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the option of Manage your Google account. On this page, you want to tap on the profile icon, and that's going to take you to this page. A profile picture helps people to recognize you and lets you know when you're signed into your account. If you have not uploaded any profile picture till now, tap on the option of Add Profile Picture. Now you can select any picture from the illustrations or from your device photos. Here you can do some editing and then tap on the next option. Now tap on Save as Profile Picture. Once your profile picture has been set and you want to change it, then tap on the Change option. And from here, you can select another profile picture either from the illustrations or from your device photo. Once you have selected the new profile picture, you can also change different colors. You can crop and rotate it as well. Now tap on the next option. After all the changes have been made, tap on Save as Profile Picture option. And now, as you can see, your new profile picture has been changed. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.